Hello and welcome to Flipkart.com. I am Radhika and today we will explore the Whirlpool NeoFresh Classic Plus Double Door Refrigerator. This 245-litre refrigerator combines efficiency and class. This one also comes in multiple colors and patterns like the one right next to me. Talking about the design, this one comes with two compartments. The freezer is at the top and the refrigeration compartment is at the bottom. Let's have a look at both. Now the refrigeration compartment has two toughened glass shelves. So now you can go ahead and place all of those heavy containers without fearing that it might crack or break. Now the number one problem for everyone is always a lack of space in refrigerators. This one really solves it, as the lid of the crisper can be used as the third shelf whenever you require, right here. Have you noticed how food usually starts smelling bad in the refrigerator after it's kept for a few days and the odor catches onto all the other items that you've put there? Whirlpool NeoFresh Classic Plus is equipped with Active Deo feature, which provides an anti-odor action to keep your refrigerator's insides always smelling fresh. With children at home, one can hardly avoid the constant opening and closing of doors. This really gets tiring, especially when you want something to cool rather quickly. Now, this refrigerator comes to your rescue. At the heart of it lies Whirlpool's patented Sixth Sense Deep Freeze technology, which ensures that the vents at the back of the fridge create a circulation of cool air throughout the freezer. So open the door all you want, the Sixth Sense technology has your back. Another interesting feature from this rollout is its uniform cooling technology. There is a fresh air flow tower at the center of the refrigerator. That ensures uniform cooling throughout the refrigerator. I bet none of us like the idea of cleaning up the freezer. It's messy, cumbersome, and usually takes a lot of time. This refrigerator uses the frost-free technology, which ensures that no manual defrosting is required. And what's more, this double-door refrigerator can operate safely and stably without a separate stabilizer, even during those frequent voltage fluctuations. So it looks like there's nothing not to love about the Whirlpool NeoFresh Classic Plus, complete with Active Deo, Sixth Sense Deep Freeze technology, fresh airflow tower, and frost-free technology. All of this packed in one refrigerator. So if you're thinking of getting this one home, come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax while we take care of you with quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and assured brand warranty. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a perfect buy.